In this video we're going to take a look at the Deceitful Batman challenge on HackTheBox. It's an easy crypto challenge, and the description says, this text appeared on a Batman show, but we suspect that it is actually code. It's your job to find out what it says. And then it says that the flag is in uppercase. I completed this challenge over 3 years ago, so I can't remember what it was about. So I'll download the files here and we'll see what we've got. Finale.txt. Extract that to the local directory, and let's take a look at it. So we'll print the file first of all, print the text file. We see it says na 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 na, etc. So we can take a copy of that. We could have a look at it in the hex editor and just make sure that that is all we're getting. Yeah, we have capital A's and then the capital N's. So we can see that that's the accurate hex codes. If not, it might have been something where we could have gone to CyberChef and checked to decode text, and we could have tried decoding different supported character types, but it looks like it's just standard ASCII. So we can try the magic operator just in case it throws something out for us, but if we're just throwing in 2 ASCII characters repeated, I wouldn't expect it to throw anything back of use. So we want to try and go through whatever ciphers we do have here. We have this @bash one. Originally used, we've tried that one. Originally using the Hebrew alphabet, it's just going to convert it to MZs. Okay, obviously no use for us. This one's going to convert numbers to letters and vice versa. Let me just type decode here because obviously we're only interested in decode. We have a Bacon cipher, or Baconian cipher as a method of steganography, devised by Francis Bacon in 1605. Is concealed in the presentation of text rather than its content. We can select this and change. We can have the alphabet here. Translation is 0s to 1s or A's to B's, or let's try and convert. We have A's here. Let's try and convert let's open Sublime and try to convert all the N's to B's. Replace all, and then if we paste that, and there we have the flag. Alright, so this was a good option for us because we only had 2 letters in there, and this either takes 0s or 1s or A's and B's, to, essentially two characters. This was a good option for us. So we got the flag. I've already completed the challenge, so I'll not bother submitting it there again. But I hope you've enjoyed this challenge. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks.